Hey everyone, Paul from Wolverine Prepper here, and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about the 5 things every prepared citizen should know, and if you don't know, you should learn. And I'm going to give you a bonus item as well, and it might be a controversial one, but I think it's one of the most important that could be life or death in a disaster survival scenario. Now don't get me wrong, gear is great, but skills can never be taken from you. Skills can never be lost. Skills can never be broken. And skills don't require batteries. So if you're building your skills and your preparedness for 2025 and beyond, these are the things you're going to need to know to stay ahead of the game. Now let's get started. Number 1 on my list, first aid and trauma care. This is the number 1 survival skill, and it's not even close. Most emergencies aren't like the movies, and not always a dramatic Hollywood collapse. It's cuts, falls, burns, broken bones, heat exhaustion, shock, dehydration, and bleeding injuries. If you don't know how to treat these, a minor situation can turn into a major fast. Here are the skill sets every prepper should have. Stop the bleed. Using pressure, packing, tourniquets correctly. Basic wound care, cleaning, dressing, and preventing infections. CPR, especially important during power outages or remote travel. Splint and immobilizing injuries. Using sticks, belts, shirts, not fancy gear. Recognizing dehydration, hypothermia, and heat stroke. I'd recommend taking a Stop the Bleed course and a basic first aid CPR certification. They're cheap, they're fast, and they could save someone's life, maybe even someone in your own family. And keep in mind, medical knowledge is the only prep that literally multiplies your survivability and your community's survivability at the same time. Water purification and management. Clean water is life. You can't go 72 hours without it. And in most disasters, water sources get contaminated almost instantly. Learning water for purification means knowing multiple methods to purifying that water. Boiling, the most reliable and universal. Filtration, using a Sawyer, Gray-L, or gravity filter, but also knowing how to make a basic sand charcoal filter if needed. Chemical purification, using iodine, chlorine tablets, and bleach ratios. Solar disinfecting, simple but effective when done right. Most people don't think about the water planning. How much do you need per day? How much does your family need? How much do your pets need? Where is your nearest natural source? Are you able to collect rainwater in your area? How to store long-term without mold or plastic breakdown. This is one of those skills you can practice at home, and you should. Firecraft. Fire is comfort, heat, light, morale, water purification, and cooking all in one. Knowing 3 methods is ideal. Using a ferro rod, lighters and matches, friction fire, such as a bow drill or hand drill. But firecraft isn't just a spark, it's the prep. How to build a tinder bundle. How to be able to make your own fire starters. How to recognize dry materials. How to set up a teepee, log cabin, or lean-to fire base depending on your needs. Fire safety and control, especially in wooded areas. Practice this in your backyard and build real confidence. Knot tying. This is a skill that instantly separates beginners from seasoned outdoorsmen. Good knots save time, keep you safe, and prevent gear failure. Here are the must-know knots. Bowline creates a secure, non-slip loop. Taut line hitch, perfect for tents, clotheslines, and tarps. Square knot, for binding 2 lines together. trucker's hitch, basically a hand-powered pulley system for tightening loads. Clove hitch, great for anchoring around posts or trees. Number 5, navigation. In a grid-down situation, GPS is gone, batteries die, phones break, satellites go dark. That's when old-school navigation becomes a life-saving skill. What to learn? Maps and compasses, basics, bearing, declaration, and pacing. Terrain association, reading valleys, ridges, and waterways. Natural navigation, using the sun, stars, shadows, wind, and other parts of nature. Route planning, knowing multiple ways to get home or get out. Shipbuilding and community. This is one skill that most channels ignore, but honestly, it's one of the most important. In a real crisis, nobody survives alone long term. You need people you can trust. You need a circle where everyone brings something to the table. Relationship building for preppers means get to know your neighbors before something happens. Developing skills you can trade: medical, mechanical, cooking, gardening, security. Building small groups you can rely on in emergencies. Being the kind of person others want to help. Reliable, steady, not panicky. Strengthening your family relationships so you all move as one unit under stress. Think of it this way: tools are great, but teamwork is a force multiplier. A community of 10 people with basic skills will always outperform one person with elite skills and elite gear. Don't be the lone wolf prepper stereotype. And that is the video for today, folks. Those are the things that I think every prepared person should know, and if they don't know, they should learn. Did I miss anything as far as a skill? Put that in the comments below. Is there anything with these skills that I'm missing? Go ahead and put that in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going within the community in the comments. Did you like the video? Did you find it informative? Go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And if you really want to help the channel, smash that hype button. It's a brand new button that you can find in the video. This lets YouTube's algorithm know that this is a video that should be shared within its algorithm. Do you like my type of content and the community we're building? Make sure to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I come out with a new video. Do you know someone that could benefit from watching this video? Make sure to share it with your friends and your family. But that's going to be it for me today. I want to thank everybody for all of their support. I will be putting in the description links to some gear that I think could help with learning some of these skills. I'm also going to put a link to the Wuben site. Since they are doing some amazing Black Friday deals, I want you guys to be able to take advantage of those so that maybe the prepper in your life can get some great flashlights. I'll also put a link to the X4 that I reviewed in my last video. It's a great flashlight for EDC, and any prepper, any EDC person in your life would love to have it. As always, don't just get prepared, stay prepared. God bless you, and God bless the Republic.